Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a come pack with me. I'm off to sunny Sorrento later in the week with my mum and dad for our annual week's holiday. I just go me, mum and dad. Sometimes my brother comes, but he's just had a baby so I won't be there this year. So I've got a carry-on suitcase which I bought last year. I love this from Debenhams, a trip suitcase. They are quite expensive, but it's a really nice one. And I've got to get everything in there because we just go. We don't take luggage that goes in the hold, I think it's called. So let's go through with what I am hoping will fit in there. It's pretty casual. We don't go out every night. We do stay in some nights in the accommodation that we're in. So I only have a couple of going out outfits. So I'll start with those first. So this is like a Bardo off the shoulder top from Matalan. I've not. That's a brand new one. I think that was about £12, and that will go with a pair of. I think they were called Bermuda shorts, but they are a very short, sort of a knee-length pair, just above the knee, of white jeans with like little rips in. They're new, they're £14 from Matalan. For a second night, I've got these cropped, like jegging legging things in denim. Very, very comfortable. I've had these for years. I think they were from Matalan, actually. And to go with that, I've got this from South. That's new. I've not worn that before. I like halter necks, and that's a halter neck to go with that. And then this ensemble here, I absolutely love this. This is also new from Matalan. I think this was £12, and when I went in the other day, they bloody put them in the sale, but never mind. So it's a play suit, which I suppose could be worn for day or night. So that's sort of evenings out. Daytime activities are mainly sunbathing. I go around to the shops every morning and go and pick up some fresh bread, a bit of fruit, bit of meat, hams, that sort of thing for lunch. So I do need something that I can walk about in as well as relax in. So what I usually take is a couple of pairs of shorts. So this year we've got these Bobby Dazzlers. These are very bright. These are from Primark. These are new, and I think they were about £4. They didn't cost much. I got a pair in black as well, but I'm going to keep those for next year. But they're like they almost feel like well, I suppose it's polyester cotton sort of thing. I think they'll crease a bit, but I've ironed those, so they've come up nicely once that's been done. And to pair with the shorts, there's a bit of a thing going on. I do like boob tube tops. Is a black boob tube top, and that is from Jane Norman. I've had that for absolutely years. I do like the ones, because I've not got very big boobies, I like the ones that are ruched, or the sweetheart neckline. They're very flattering when you've not got very big boobs. Another outfit is another pair of, these are really comfortable. I got these last year from Primark, these shorts, and they've got like a little sort of lacy cover on them. Really comfortable. Yeah, so everything is between, all these clothes are either a size 8 or a size 10. So to go with those, another boob tube, again from Jane Norman. I like those. They feel quite good material and they last well. Right, nighttime wear now. Then bikinis. I'm going to take a cap just to protect my hair from the sun because it's very, very strong. And then I've got 3 bikinis. Well, in fact, I've got 2.5. So this one here is from Accessorize. Wait, I found something that's not from Matalan or Primark. That's Accessorize, and this one's old, but boy, has it lasted well. I love a bit of animal print, which is obviously bang on trend at the moment. That was from Matalan, and then just a one-off pair of Primark bikini bottoms. They didn't have the top. They ended up being £1. So they're just a spare pair just to sort of hang around in. Right, okay, so very quickly skim over the old underwear. So bra to travel in. I've got a couple of pairs of little socks. So these are new. I bought these from Primark too. I think there was about £6 for the both of them. They came as a pack. So they are strapless, and because I've got a lot of the boob tubes and the Bardo top. I'm thinking I need something without straps, so I bought those this year, and I reckon they'll be pretty comfortable because they're just elasticated at the back. So in the hot weather in Italy, that will be great. Right, on to footwear. Okay, right. These I will travel in. I love these. These are Converse, and they're like navy with a little pink butterflies. I think they're really cute. Then flip-flops. I might have to have a bit of a think about this because there's quite a lot of pairs of flip-flops there for 1 week. These are from Primark. I think they were only about £3. I love them. I always go a size or 2 down in Primark flip-flops because I don't know whether they just come up big. And then these I absolutely love. These are new from Primark. They were £8, so quite a bit more expensive as flip-flops go in there. Right, over to bits and bobs. Okay, this is all the makeup and everything and hair stuff. So like I say, we don't go out an awful lot, so I'm really minimal on makeup and hair stuff. And because it's so warm, you can't really wear too much heavy makeup. So let's go through what I've got here. I bought these. I covered these in a haul recently. These are just little wash mitts for washing off your makeup. And then I've got 2 donuts for if I want to do space buns. Razor pills, little pill box. Who'd have thought I'd be on a pill box at the age of 43? I've got some back issues, so I have to take a lot of medication at the moment. So rather than take loads of little blister packs of tablets and stuff, and also all my vitamins and minerals, put them all in here. There we go, brilliant. So makeup, I've got this. So I'm trying to be very minimal on the makeup. This is a palette from Primark, which I absolutely love, and you can see I've used it quite a lot. So I'll just take this one because it's got bronzer, highlighter and blusher all in one, and it's flat, so it's very travel friendly. I've bought this set of eyeshadows. Now I've changed the colour of my hair. I've had to sort of look at some of the colours, so I should take that. That was from Primark. I think that was £3 or £4. I'm going to take a face mask because if I end up burning my face a bit in the sun, I'm going to give this one a go. So this is just a sample of my favourite foundation. It's the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat in Beige Dior 40. So that is, I normally have 25, sorry. But when I get a bit of a tan, I need a bit of a darker one. So I should just take that, and we'll take this Clinique pressed powder, which you can see I've used quite a bit. I like that just to pop on the end of my nose so it stops it shining. I'm going to take and try some false lashes. Only £1 from Primark. Give those a go. I've never worn false eyelashes like this, so I'm intrigued to see, because I've got a bit more time, I'm quite interested to see how I get on with them. My favourite mascara at the moment, which is this Primark Aqualash, and that is waterproof. That's a new one for holes. Pair of tweezers, just a couple of makeup brushes. So this one will do for the bronzer, highlighter and blusher. It's just one brush, and I won't be wearing an awful lot of makeup, so this will just do for that. And that's a contour brush from Home Bargains. This is my favourite brush of all time. It's a kabuki brush from Primark in like a triangle shape. It is fantastic for blending in foundation. Absolutely love that. And then I've got a couple of eyeliners. That's a Barry M bold waterproof eyeliner in gunmetal. I really like that. That's quite a dark one. I don't wear black, but that's a dark gunmetal colour. And then I've got a number 7, similar sort of colour, but that's got a bit of a sort of a glittery sheen to it. That's matte. I shall use this. I've dyed my eyebrows, so I don't need to do too much on my eyebrows. Done a video on that if you're interested, using Just for Men hair dye. Very, very pleased with how it came out. Anyway, so this is a collection in blonde eyebrow pencil and spoolie. I should be doing some teeth whitening when I'm there. These are the best strips that I've found, 3D Crest White. And then I've got a shower cap, which I do actually use because I don't wash my hair every day. I've got some earplugs, wax earplugs, because my dad snores so loudly, as does now my mum actually. A little belt just to go with the white jeans, and then a few hair accessories, and then just a couple of hair clips. This I cannot do without. This is my sleep mask. It's absolutely battered. And then a little handbag, just a tiny little clutch size one. That was from Primark. And then electrics to keep me going. A few more toiletries. These are the handheld jobbies that will go in this bag. I've got shampoo and conditioner. I'm only taking a tiny bit because I'll only wash my hair once or twice when I'm out there. That's a under eye treatment from Clinique, really like that. And then this is Clinique as well, which I've decanted. This is their moisturiser on my face, and this is another one from Clinique, and this is the Hydro Blur. Absolutely love that. That sort of acts as a primer as well. So I've just decanted into this one some Clinique face wash, and in here I've got some hair oil for once I've washed my hair, just decanted into that. Insect repellent, there's a lot of mosquitoes in Sorrento, and also I shall take some Tiger Balm, again for mosquitoes or if I get bitten. Bit of hairspray. Mum's going to take some hairspray for me as well. So my mum's taking things like shower gel, toothpaste, hairspray, a few bits because they're going for 2 weeks and they have luggage in the hold. Then I've got some lipsticks. Always wear something on my lips in the day because I do get cold sores. So this is a Malibu 30 SPF. I love that, and I do wear that at night as well after something on my lips at night. A couple more accessories, and then finally just a couple of bits to actually put everything in. So I've bought, this is a pencil case from Poundland. That will do for my makeup brushes. Absolutely love that iridescent thing. One from Clinique, just what you get free when you buy their bonus time. And then I've bought this little bad boy. I'm not sure which out of those I'm going to use now. This was off eBay, brand new. It's from a proper light stockist, and it's for your knickers. And then sort of it's got another bag in it for toiletries or makeup probably, and then your toiletries go in there. So that's quite snazzy, but it is quite big. So I don't know whether I'm going to be better off using those two or pack everything in that. And then this I shall have just hanging off the case just for my neck support. So these are my potential travelling items, what I'm going to travel in. So I've got the grey, I'll come in close so you can have a look. The grey, very thin and comfortable sort of joggers. They're not thick material like normal joggers. They are just very thin cotton, and they were from Primark. I went down a size in those, 4 to 6. They were £6. And then this t-shirt here, I quite like that. I saw that it's from Tesco, and I saw it when I went in and it was full price, and then when I went in the other day it was £5, so I thought I'll have that beauty. And I like the little bottom on that. Or I've got this other t-shirt here with this sort of ruchy, well, sort of, I don't know, what do you call that? Oh, it's got a mark on it. Oh no, I think that might make my decision up then. A hoodie from Primark in sort of a marl, I think it's called, colour. Downsized in that because they were quite big and baggy. That's only a 4 to 6. I think that was £8. So it's either that or the cardigan, or if I've got room, both. That's it. I've now got to get it in that case. I don't think I'm going to film that bit because it will be very boring, but we'll see how we get on. Halfway through. We're almost there. I can't believe how much I've got in this case. Well, believe it or not, but it's all in. I can't believe it. I've even included the black cardigan, and I've stuck in a coat hanger as well. Thanks for watching this video. I'm not sure if it might have been a bit boring, but hope to see you again soon on some other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.